We are proud to announce a recent ACCC Conductor installation in Mexico. This Reconductor project by the Comisión Federal de Electricidad, CFE, marks their 12th ACCC Conductor installation in Mérida, Mexico. CFE selected Hawk-size ACCC Conductor for the double-bundled circuit 115 kV transmission line. This choice allowed them to double the capacity of 2 of the 4 existing 4.9 km circuits without the need to replace or modify the existing steel monopole structures. Spans ranged from 126 meters to 320 meters in length. ACCC master installers provided training and support with Viacon, ensuring the project's success. Crews utilized CTC Global's patented ACCC InfoCore System to verify core integrity and confirm and document the installation's success. This was the first ACCC InfoCore System project launched in Latin America, marking a significant milestone in the region's energy infrastructure development. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates on our innovative projects.